Hello everyone, welcome. In today's module, we will be looking at plants and plant biology. Plant anatomy. We will cover parts of the plant and their functions. Plants are the primary source of food on Earth. Through the process of photosynthesis, plants produce food and oxygen. Without plants, animals would not be able to live. Respiration versus photosynthesis. You have the opposite going on in this case. In photosynthesis, food is manufactured. In respiration, food is consumed. The sun's energy is used. In respiration, the sun energy is released. Carbon dioxide is used by plants. Carbon dioxide is given off by the plant. Oxygen is given off in photosynthesis, whereas oxygen is used in respiration. Complex compounds are formed. In respiration, you have simple compounds being formed. Sugars and starches are produced. You have carbon dioxide and water are produced in respiration. Light is required, whereas in respiration, the process occurs both day and night. Chlorophyll, which is key to photosynthesis, has to be present. In respiration, the process is carried on in all the cells. Other ways that plants are important include keeping us cool and renewing the air, slowing down the wind, holding soil in place, providing a home for wildlife, beautifying our surroundings, furnishing buildings materials and fuel. As we go to look at the parts of the plants, the leaves are a very important factor in this. It is the food factory of the plant. They vary in shape and sizes. They're flat, needle-like, or cylindrical. Arrangement on the plants is key. Sometimes they are alternate on stems, other times they are positioned in the opposite way. You can get into more details by looking at the parts of the leaf structure. The external leaf structure, the petiole, the stalk, the blade. The internal leaf structure, the skin or epidermis, contains guard cells. They protect the leaf from loss of too much moisture. They allow the leaf to breathe and transpire. Stem. The function of the stem really is to move water and minerals from the roots to the leaves. They move the manufacture of food from the leaves to the roots. The external stem structure are breathing pores known as lenticels. The leaf scars shows where leaves were attached. Stems. Internal stem structure carries the water and material through the xylem. Manufactured food travels down the phylum. Dicots have 2 seed leaves and monocots have only 1. Roots. The function of the root system is to anchor the plant, conduct water and minerals to the stem, propagate or reproduce some plants. The structure contains the terminal buds that initiate growth. Root caps produces cells in a lubricate path. Root hair absorbs moisture and minerals. As you continue to understand how the root system works, this would hone you into planting correctly. You have the fibrous root system versus the taproot system. The fibrous root system is easier to transplant. They have shorter and smaller and more compact root system. The taproot system are more difficult to work with as well as to transplant. They are longer and there are fewer parts of the plants. Each part of the plant has the function. The flower attracts the insect for pollination. The leaves function primarily for food manufacture by the process of photosynthesis. The fruit of the seed carrying the structure. The seed function in the propagation of the plant. the life that is within the plant. The stem is the main body of the plant, and it acts as a support system for the branches that contains passages for the food and water to move up and down. The root system is where you have it anchoring the plant and helps the absorption of the food and the storage of the plant. Overview of fruit, flowers, and seeds. The flower, as we said, attracts the pollinators. The pollinators begin the fruiting and form seeds. The fruit and the seeds are collected, eaten, and spread by animals and wind and other things. Flowers, fruits, and seeds. Parts of the flower. Complete flower. In the complete flower, we have both male and female parts. 4 main parts of a complete flower. You have the sepal, petals, stamens, and pistils. Within the incomplete flower, you are missing the male or the female part. A male flower has no pistil, the female flower has no stamen. In summary, plants are the primary source of food and oxygen that are absolutely essential to ensure the continuation of life on Earth. Through the process of photosynthesis, we've learned that the leaves capture the sun's energy and use carbon dioxide and water to produce this food and oxygen. And we also know that plants are in constant motion as roots move to find water and the stems move toward light, thus creating the process of photosynthesis. That will be all for today. Goodbye and have a beautiful day.